Innerville District 323 Membership Development Initiatives and Plans for the year 2020-2021. Innerville Information. Innerville year starts from 1st July and completes on 30th June. Color of the Innerville emblem is gold and blue. Color colors for the club it's royal blue, for the district it's light blue. International Innerville is a non-governmental organization and Innerville has representations at United Nations. Membership development, expansion, internal expansion, addition of new members, retention of members, external expansion, formation of new clubs. Why new members? Continued growth, revitalization of club, leadership at club, more hands to serve, new brighter ideas. Why join Innerville? Friendship, identity, noble cause, networking, empowerment, giving back to society, exposure and leadership. Who can join Innerville? Homemakers, executives, professionals, entrepreneurs, retired officials, new generation members. Membership categories. Active membership, it's regular members. Honorary membership, members invited by the club for their accomplishments. Honored active, senior members in the club honored by the club for their contributions. Membership process. To identify, to invite, to introduce, to inform, to induct and to involve. Membership orientation. Briefing on protocols, club history, bylaws and projects. Financial obligations. Participation in district events, assembly, conference, rally, ISO program and inter-district events. Membership retentions. Why members leave? Natural reasons. Health, old age, transfers, death, etc. which is unavoidable. Communication gap. Improper place and time of meetings. Groupism and ego clashes. Lack of involvement. Lack of information, knowledge and awareness. Financial indiscipline. President-centric members addition. Membership retention. How to retain members. Proper communication, well-organized meetings, time management, variety, friendly atmosphere, worthwhile projects, involvement, appreciation and empathy, picnics and outdoor programs, timely recognition for good work. Suggestion box. Choosing like-minded members, financial discipline and transparency, attitude towards new members, interesting activities like competitions, theme dressing, lucky draw, potluck get-togethers, joint meetings, and exit interview when member leaves. External expansion, formation of new clubs. Existing Innerville club to sponsor the new club. Identify potential group. Identify potential places, new areas where there are no Innerville clubs. Organize meeting. Inform the district. Invite seniors to speak on Innerville. Develop interest in the new members. Discuss financial obligations thoroughly and clearly. Registration forms. Inauguration of new club, sponsoring club to organize. Apply for charter. Charter presentation. Guidance and follow-ups. General information on membership development. Formation of new clubs. Minimum 10 active members required. Transfers. Members may transfer to any other club in exceptional circumstances provided both clubs agree and permission obtained from the district. If active member transfers, her seniority and Innerville qualifications will remain as it is on joining the new club. When a member is not able to continue because of her age or sickness, she may be termed retired than resigned. Termination of membership. Active membership terminates on failure to pay the annual subscription by 31st December. Quorum required 4 members at executive meetings and 20% of members for general body meetings. Well, friends, new friends are always joy, old friends treasure, and new clubs the future. PDC Vasmati Marimuthu hereby wishes all of you all the best.